56.
56. Hold on, I'll just get the... There you go, there's the tag. Model R27. That's what it is, hey? So we're with Peter Dunlop of the Paw here. This is one of his fancier Bombardiers. Beautiful. We're going to go take a tour here right away. Looks beautiful in here. Peter's just going to take us for a quick tour. We've got a whole pile of snow here in northern Manitoba. And it's nicely equipped on the list. A recreational owner, this is the way to do it.
Want to go in the field?
If you want, sure. Does not want to be too far away from his Bombardier or his dad. Oh yeah. There's Schooner and Dad. Look at that power. Here he comes again. Quick loop around the yard. Oh, yeah, there you go. Full power. Coming around again. You can see him right over here. Power steering. There you go. So how fast can you get this up to?
We had it just about up to 60 miles an hour at one time.
60 mile an hour. Wow.
Fast enough to kill yourself.
Yeah. And Schooner's happier than hell. Here he is.
This is a completely built engine, 318. The heads are plain. It's got a hotter cam in it.
Okay.
It's got a 904 transmission on it, completely rebuilt.
Okay.
And of course the plastic gas tanks and electric fuel pump and 6-blade fan and high output alternator and of course a 4-barrel and a 1-wire distributor.
Okay. A lot of work in here.
A lot of work, yeah.
Beautiful machine. So the viewership's going to want to know, is it for sale or are you keeping it?
Well, I guess like they always say, everything's for sale at the right price.
Okay, so no low ballers.
No low ballers.
And but this is a beautiful Bombardier. This is probably one of the best that Dad's worked on in the shop before. So
the motor in this green one is completely rebuilt, and the transmission is completely rebuilt, and a new rad. The motor has approximately 210 horsepower at 2,800 RPM. It's a 318, and it has 285 pounds of torque at 2,400, and it has a 727 transmission.
okay, so remember this being in the shop before. This is a beautiful piece of equipment. How long did it take you to do the restoration?
Well, we took it right down to a bare frame, took all the putty off and all the primer, and then sanded it and reprimed and painted it, and then everything went in new. Undercarriage, tires, electric power steering, light bars, LED lights, everything is on it that you need. Bumpers.
Perfect. Yeah, looks great. It's a beautiful piece of equipment. It looks beautiful on the inside as well. And
that's the kind of machine that should be going into places where there's no shops and whatnot. It's ready to go.
Yeah.
And with a little bit of maintenance, it's going to last for years.
okay, there you go.